Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a admin commands game pass. So let's get started. Before we begin, you guys need to make sure you guys have your game published. My game is already published, so I don't have to do that. And you have to go to get game settings right now, click on options, and make sure this property is enabled. Basically what it does is it allows Studio to give us access to game services like data store service, marketplace service, HTTP service, and yeah, basically all of them. We'll be using the marketplace service in this case, and marketplace service is a service that allows us to sell game passes, developer products for Roblox, and allows players to purchase them for Roblox. So yeah, make sure that is enabled to on. And you guys also need to create a game pass. If you already have one, then just go to your game, click on store passes, and you open your game pass and copy the ID. I already made the game pass, so all I have to do is just copy it, copy the ID of the game pass, and I can save it somewhere. If you don't have a game pass, then make one right now and then do the same exact thing. Go to your game passes, then copy the ID, not the whole link, but the numbers between game pass and your name of the game pass. But other than that, we can close them and back to Studio. And I guess you can start coding now. Insert a script inside the server script service. Oh, it's not responding. Okay, there. Now insert a script, name it game passes, I guess, or if you already have a script that is called game passes, then inside the script you just use that script and then write down everything I do. And yeah, so we'll define a variable for the marketplace service, local marketplace service equals game GetService marketplace service. We'll define a variable for our ID of the game pass, local ID equals, you take the ID, and yeah, now we'll write game.Players, oops, not .parent.Players.PlayerAdded connect function, and our argument for player added event will be player. So then we write an if statement. If marketplace service UserOwnsGamePassAsync player.UserId, that's our first argument for this function, and then our second argument will be ID, and then we write player.Chatted connect function message. Message is the arguments or the variable for the chatted event. And let's add a parentheses. I don't know why it doesn't want to add one, but yeah. So anyway, so inside this event we'll be adding our chat commands, the commands that the game pass will provide us. So our first command will be, I guess, to create a ForceField. So let's do if message equals, also we should make a prefix. So local prefix equals, now you can choose any prefix you want. I mean, I will use the slash, but you can do colon or semicolon or dot or something. You can choose one, it doesn't matter. I'll use slash. So then when we write an if statement, checking if the message will be, say, /ff. So if message equals prefix dot dot ff. So basically, if our message will be the prefix, which is /ff, then it will create a ForceField, Instance.new ForceField inside the player.Character. So inside the character, inside the player's character. And we can add some more commands, I guess. We can do else if message equals prefix. We'll do, how about sparkles? Then, and let's move that here. I don't know why it doesn't want to do that. Then we just basically copy this, Control C, Control V, and instead of ForceField, we'll put sparkles. And instead of just the player.Character, so inside the character there's a part called HumanoidRootPart that holds like the character itself. So then we write HumanoidRootPart there. And we can add, I guess, a command that will add us a fire. Let's do here. So what we can do is just copy this and then paste it, and just simply change whatever command we want. So let's do fire, and instead of sparkles we put fire. And yeah, that's the only thing we have to do. Okay, what else can we add? So for now, I guess we can just test these commands out. Also, so since I already made my Game Pass, it says I already own it because I'm the owner of the Game Pass. And yeah, if you create your own Game Pass, it will automatically yours. So it will work. So it will actually work. So what I'm saying is that you don't have to buy the Game Pass to check it, because you already have it, you already own it, because you created it and it's yours. So now we can just test it out. Click on play. Okay, it's not responding. It happens sometimes. Don't worry, it will load. Okay, it's again not responding. It's fine. It'll respond in like a couple of seconds. Okay, it again decided not to respond. It's okay, it's coming. It's loading. Okay, so here we are. The game has loaded, and we'll start off with /ff. Now, if you have your own custom prefix, then don't write slash, write your prefix that you choose. And let's add sparkles. As you can see, it has sparkles, which is great. Now let's try /fire. It created us fire. So yeah, the commands work. And those who don't have the Game Pass, they won't be able to do those commands, just saying. We did do a certain condition that if the player owns the Game Pass, and it checks if it checks the player and the ID of the Game Pass, and then it allows you to use the commands. So that's why, yeah. So now we can continue. I guess we can add some more commands. How about we'll add the like say unff or on sparkles, on fire. So basically just undoing it. So we'll do else if. Here, actually, I'll add a comment. Undoes. And then I'll add a comment here. Do's. Okay, it looks like dos, like in Spanish. I guess we'll do, how about here, create, and then remove. There, that's better. Now backspace right here, and then we can continue if we do, say, else if message equals prefix, not print, I meant prefix. Prefix, dot dot, on FF, same. Then if player.Character bind first child, which is a ForceField, then actually here we'll do local ff equals, we copy that, and then we write the variable instead, if ff, then ff destroy. So we'll simply just, so it checks if the player, if the player's character has the force field, and if it hasn't, so basically this variable checks and finds if the force field exists inside the player's character, and checks if it's true, then it destroys it. So that's what we just did. So now we'll also destroy the sparkles and the fire. On sparkles, then okay, I really hate when it never backspaces back. I used to do that a lot. I mean, it used to do that like all the time, but now it just doesn't. I don't know. So anyway, local sparkles equals here. Let's copy this, paste it here. Bind first child, which is a sparkles. If sparkles, then sparkles destroy. Now we can copy all this, add some lines, backspace, and there. We'll do on fire, checks the fire, 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 fire. So now let's publish the changes just in case. And now we'll be able to test it out and see if it will remove the things, yeah. The force field, the fire, the sparkles. Those are just some basic commands. You can customize your commands if you want to. You can customize the way, like, so you don't have to like add sparkles. Like, say you want, I don't know, like maybe some commands that I didn't include in the video, then you can always comment down below in the comment section and request and asking me to like how to actually do that command, like how do you write it down, and then I will reply to you and I'll show you how to do it. So yeah, so let's do /ff /sparkles /fire, and now let's undo all this. /unff removes the force field, /unsparkles, oops, I forgot the prefix. It removes the sparkles, and then on fire, there we go. So it works. Awesome. So this is just an example. I mean, I'm not trying to make a whole like like, I don't know, a whole calls admin commands thing. Yeah, those are just some basic commands I'm using. Again, if you want to know like how to like do some other commands, like say you want walk speed or jump power, you know, like a bunch of other commands, like see if we go find like in the toolbox and say we can find some admin commands. Let's say admin commands, and if you want to learn like how to do all these commands, how to code these commands, like just like in like say calls admin, for example. Okay, those are okay. This admin commands doesn't include the source code. It just includes like all this, you know. It doesn't include the actual code. It's a certain module script that doesn't exist here. So yeah, as you can see, it searches for the ID of the module scripts. And yeah, so we can't actually see the commands. But I'm just saying, like, if you want some commands and you don't know like how to do them, you can always comment down below in the comment section and request, and I'll show you how to do them. But other than that, that's how you do all this. If you have any questions, you can comment down below in the comment section. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on this video and subscribe if you have not. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Have yourselves a great day.